Hello viewers, this video is about a car interior cleaning product. This is 3M's foaming car interior cleaner. This is very easy to use. All you have to do is just shake the can, spray it over the area which you wish to clean, wait for some time and wipe it off with a clean damp cloth. The results are quite promising and it is very easy to use as well as it is fun to use in fact. So you can see that I am trying it on exterior part. This car's exterior bumper is all dirty. Now let us see the results. Now wait for some time. Simply wipe it off. It is that easy and effective. So it's a very good product from 3M. I bought it from Amazon. I hope it lasts for some time. I tried it on my Ather scooters hard plastic area. You can see the result for yourself. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.